starting in the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of discussion is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a viscous, translucent and aqueous part of the protoplasm which lie in between the plasma membrane and the cell membrane. What is protoplasm? Protoplasm is the combination of cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Collectively, cytoplasm and nucleoplasm are known as protoplasm. This is the living part of the cell. What are the parts of the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm composed of cytosol, insoluble part, organelles and cytoskeleton. What is cytosol? Cytosol is the soluble part of the cytoplasm. It composed of 90% of water and 10% of biomolecules. If the biomolecules are small, then they form a true solution, while if they are large, then they form a colloidal solution. The colloidal solution may be viscous or non-viscous. In case of viscous, we call this colloidal solution as a gel, and while non-viscous is known as solution. The insoluble part of the cytoplasm contains storage and waste product, like for example starch and glycogen is an example of storage nutrients. The third one is cell organelles. What are the cell organelles? Cell organelles are the little organs present inside a cytoplasm, like for example endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosome, etc. Cytoskeleton is the skeleton system of the cytoplasm. It supports the cell and cytoplasm. It composed of microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filaments. What are the function of cytoplasm? Cytoplasm acts as a storehouse. The second function is it provides the site for metabolic activity, like for example glycolysis. Protein synthesis occur inside the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm help in the process of cyclosis. Cyclosis is a stream-like movement of the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm provide a good or suitable environment for the cell organelles. This all was about cytoplasm.